So we're doing something a little bit different today. Instead of going to look at a house that we're flipping, we're going over to one of our rental properties in Oroville, which actually had a tenant in it for about 17 years. This is an older lady that had several dogs and animals. It's a duplex that you'll see when we drive up, but she really didn't take care of the place and it was getting pretty smelly. So instead of evicting her, we actually gave her a 60-day notice. She kindly responded to that and she moved out. So today we're gonna go look at it, check it out, smell it, see what we have to do to get it ready to rent. So this will be good. So if you have any questions on how to get properties ready for rent, just leave a comment below. But once we get to the property, we'll go ahead and walk through it and we'll just discuss some things. Okay, that's it. As you can see, this is pretty typical. They leave a lot of stuff outside. Haven't been inside yet. Let's go look, see what it looks like, see if it smells. Well, it's not that bad.
Okay, bye.
Hey, do you have a second?
Took everything she wanted then, huh?
I guess. So yeah, typical. She left some stuff, huh? So there must be a closet over there.
Yeah, carpet's gotta be the first to go.
No, I think we can clean it. Bathroom's not bad.
Left the bed and everything.
Yeah, she left everything, huh? It's actually not that bad.
You can feel this.
The carpet is a little hard though.
Yeah, you can feel it in the carpet. It's a little.
17 years worth of dogs.
Charcoal over there? Is that charcoal over there?
Tripod, yeah.
This part.
Okay, so it's filthy, dirty, left a lot of crap here, left a lot of stuff here, but here's the pluses. It's got a washer and dryer, it's got a nice refrigerator so we don't have to buy a refrigerator, and it's got a stove. So that's all good. So, here is a question for you guys. What do you think we should do with the floors? Several options. We're definitely gonna pull out the carpet, see what's underneath it. But do we refinish, tile, or vinyl? Leave a comment below what you want to do. Bathroom's good. Got good toilet, good sink, good shower. This is gonna be easy. So the trick is to get it cleaned up and get it rented. So put some comments below on what we should do first. And then we'll do a follow-up video and show you guys what we do. If you have any questions, make sure to put a comment below.